What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and this is a highly requested video. And the video is how to get your hair curly. So for me, I personally have naturally curly hair, so all I really do is enhance my curls. Like right now, my hair doesn't look too curly. Like, it does not look too curly. Actually, probably looks dry because it is. But right here, the things you're gonna need. So these are gonna be the products you need: a water bottle, your own styling lotion, your own moisturizing hair lotion, your own curling activator, and your own oil you use. So let's get into it. I use all these products on different bases, but what I found out using all these products together really works. So what you really want to do, imagine this morning, you're just waking up and you're like, yo, I gotta wet my hair. So I take my spray bottle that still has leave-in conditioner in, because it does still have leave-in conditioner. I need to tell y'all that. It only had like this much of the leave-in conditioner, so I added like water to it. So that's why it's yellow. And I recommend this leave-in conditioner because it works a lot. Wow, it works so better than any other leave-in conditioner I use. Like, I think spraying leave-in conditioner is so better for my hair. Don't mind me. I'm not going to be looking at y'all right now. I'm going to be looking in the mirror just so I could make sure my hair is wet. Alright, so boom. The next step that I do is I add the Shea Moisture. If you could see that. Shea Moisture Restorative or Restoring Styling Lotion with shea butter, peppermint, apple cider vinegar. So this is for naturally chemically processed hair or heated style hair. And the reason why I use this was because my hair was naturally processed, which means I had to relaxer my hair before I cut it off. And like, this is like the final stage of it growing. So like, I'm probably still gonna have like my ends and stuff are still gonna be like that. So I just take my hair like so, and I just act like I'm putting it all in my hair. It's mad simple. Like, I probably do two like big things of these. So like that. And you want to get the back too, because the back is like what a lot of people forget about, is the back. The next step for me is the olive oil moisturizing hair lotion. This is really good because I like this more. It's thick. It's like a thick, okay, no, oh shit. It's like it's like a thick substance that's mad easy to put in your hair. And then we just gonna like that and like that. You just gonna make sure it's in your hair. Even I don't use Cantu, y'all, cause like I see mad videos of people using Cantu, and I never told y'all the reason why I don't use it is because every time I mix it with different products, it leaves my hair like so white, it's ridiculous. So boom, don't ask me how I do this, but boom. Alright, y'all, so sometimes, you know, gotta add that little extra water, especially when your bitch like water. Alright, then this is the curling activator. It's like a jelly, honestly, and this is kind of what locks my curls. So it becomes like a liquid substance, and this is kind of what just locks my curls in place for me, so that they don't drop. Because like, I have a problem with my curls, like they drop all the time, and it's not annoying, but it's like not the best. So boom, right? Boom. Then we got the oil. The reason why you want to put oil on your hair after you're done is because it protects your hair from the UV rays. Because it's summer, and trust me, them UV rays is not the best. And this is argan oil. It's one of the best oils you can use on your hair. You hear me? You dig? So then we gonna just put that all in my hair, back, forward. Boom. 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 I just be getting all up in there so it don't look as bad. And then shake it And boom, this is the end results of having or getting your hair like super curly. Like, this is the end results. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm gonna do a small slow-mo. Boom. How to get curls in 5 minutes, you dig? Boom. My hair is curled up and it looks great. So now I don't have to do anything else to my hair. It took me a long time to perfect that style of curls. But if you like this video, drop a comment, like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel to see more hair tips, vlogs, pranks, and just random videos. But if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. Boom. Give it a thumbs up and let me know how it goes. I don't even know what I'm gonna title this video, but just tell me if you like it in the comments. This is the curls. You feel me? Mad easy, mad simple. All the products are gonna be down below. Peace.